Have you ever hung out and taken a nice photo only to have passers-by in the background ruin the ambience of the photo and make it impossible to upload to social media? Have you ever saved an image and tried to create it again, but the watermark or text in the image can't be removed? The following two apps can help you solve these problems. They are Canva and Picsman. Now, we'll show you how to use these apps. Let's see how Canva works first. After logging into the homepage of Canva, click Upload in the upper right corner, then click Choose Files, select and open the picture you want to use, and click Edit Image. Select Magic Eraser from Magic Studio in the effects on the left toolbar of the pop-up window, and enter the interface of Magic Eraser. The left toolbar has two erase modes to choose from. Brush mode is to use the mouse to smear any area you want to erase. Seems we need to wait a while. Click mode is simply to choose the part that the system recognizes and may want to erase. Let's give it a try. Here, we have to choose the letters one by one, which takes some time. Now go to Picsman, click Magic Eraser in the toolbar at the top of the home page. Click Upload Image, select and open your image. Only takes 2 steps, easy and fast. And now we can start editing the image. Picsman has 3 modes to choose from to erase text or people in the picture. The first is to manually apply the part to be erased, which may take some time and patience to apply, but has the advantage of being flexible and free. The text and people have been clearly removed. In the second and third functions, the system will automatically identify the parts of the image that may be erased, and when eliminating the people, Picsman will show the frame of the people so that you can retouch the image more clearly. In the third function, instead of selecting the letters of text one by one at a time, Picsman will eliminate the entire word as a unit and simply click on the part of the text that the system recognizes, making your editing of the image more efficient. If you want to use Picsman, you can search for picaman.ai on Google. That's all for today's video. If you find it useful or if you have any questions, you can like and are welcome to comment.